what's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, new people in the place to be? Even kijken, hoe kan ik dit het beste doen? Deze kan weg. What's up guys, welkom bij een nieuwe aflevering. Yo, what's up? What's up people, welcome to a new video. My name is JoopvdClips, aka Macaroni with the Cheese. And today is Friday, the 9th of July, and I was like, yo, let's start a new video because the markets are open. So, let me get my shit straight. So the market is pretty much in a downtrend as we see. It's getting reset on Finviz by now. So we're in a green today. So let's see what our stocks is doing for today. So AMC is $47 right now. Yesterday it pretty much went all the way down up to $38. Let me see what GME is doing. My name is Joop. Every day I make YouTube videos about crypto and stocks. I'm trying to share my knowledge with y'all, and I'm trying to teach also. So with GME, yesterday it went down to $179, and today it's up to $191. So let's see what today's gonna bring us. Basically, the shorts are not, the stocks are not shorted, so we still winning. We still have the float by 80%, so we still basically controlling the game right now, controlling the narrative. Let me see what we do. What do we do? Yo. What's happening? So let's see what today's gotta bring us. The mark just started for 4 minutes right now. Trying to get my stream on. Yo, Rance, what's up? What's up, Playboy? What's up? We living life. We doing it. So I'm basically waiting what GME is gonna do. Let me put it on a 4 hours. Let me even put it on a 1 hour. Maybe let me even put it on a 15 minutes time frame. What you think about that? Get rid of this one. So you basically see that GME is still in an ascending downtrend. So it means it can go down. But we basically wait until the mega squeeze gonna happen. Because the squeeze is gonna happen, bro. It's gonna happen. Don't be afraid. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, people. Just gotta be ready. Just be ready. You just gotta be ready, guys. Be ready and see your money pile up. So GME is basically out of the trend line. I put on the daily time frame. So GME is basically out of the trend line. You see, it's breaking the trend line. This means going down. Let me see what today got to bring us. If it's go back to 40, I'm gonna buy me some. Buy me some. Okay, it's already going down. Let me put it in the 1 minute time frame. Maybe the 50 minute. 46, let's go. 46, let's go. Moment is going down, you know that I'm buying, bro. I'm buying. We just buy more. While other people talk, we buy more. That's what we do. Wanneer iedereen is aan het praten, zijn wij lekker aan het kopen, bro. Laat iedereen maar praten. Friends, what's up? Heb je nog wat te melden vandaag? Kijken wat Bitcoin doet. $50. Don't let it go to $50 to get the calls and the money. shit. Put your hands in the air, yeah, 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 yeah.
And the Nas.
Let's hear what these ninjas gotta tell us right now.
Both posting record closing highs today. Meantime, the 10-year yield fell to its lowest level since February, below 130 earlier in the session. This as big tech stocks continue to soar to new highs. Let's bring in Dan Niles, founder and portfolio manager of the Satori Fund. Great to have you back on the show.
Wait a moment, before we go, let's put this on GME first.
Show, Dan.
My pleasure, Sarah.
We got to start with Oracle. It's closing at a record high. This was your one tech pick for 2021. It has been an amazing pick and just out of nowhere has exploded higher. You wish you picked more big cap, big sort of mega cap defensive tech names? We got to start with Oracle. It's closing at a record high. This was your one tech pick for 2021. It has been an amazing pick and just out of nowhere has exploded higher. You wish you picked more big cap, big sort of mega cap defensive tech names?
No, I mean, you know, Oracle was our pick. It's done well. Obviously, you and I have talked, you know, for the last several interviews going back a few months about Google and Facebook and how we like them as reopening plays as well. But, you know, our top picks have done great this year. Our top 5 are up 27% on average. And, you know, Oracle's done very well. We still like Google and Facebook in tech because they're reopening plays that are growing revenues at 30 to 35% that you can get at a 24 to 25 PE, which is just a point or two above the S&P. And so, you know, we like certain pockets of the market, but, you know, in general, you know, we believe still that rates are going up, and that's going to cause a problem when we get, you know, kind of to Jackson Hole in August, and that's kind of our roadmap, and it's been our roadmap all year, really.
Well, rates are going down. I mean, the 10-year yield today hitting the lowest level since February, back to 129. And your whole thesis of cyclical inflation stocks that hasn't been working lately. So are you changing the playbook, or you think it's going to be revived?
No, I'm not changing the playbook at all. It's 1 month. I mean, if you look at last month, you know, the materials, industrials, financials, those names were down. Those 3 sectors, the S&P, were down 2 to 6%. But remember, they were up 18 to 28% or so coming in, you know, through the end of May. And tech stocks within the S&P 500, those were up about 7% after being up only 6% coming into May. So yeah, there's definitely some rotation going on right now. But you know, big picture, my view is pretty simple. We still see economies opening up. We see vaccinations going up, herd immunity going up, and the best GDP growth in the United States since the 1980s. And so with that as a backdrop, you know, unless you believe that we're going to shut down again globally, I think you stick with that. And this is a 1-month pullback, and it's not that big a deal. And as I said earlier, there's some tech stocks that benefit from reopening, like Google and Facebook.
And so you alluded to it there in your answer. You're still interested in financials because you do believe that rates will be rising, at least sort of the longer to medium term trend.
Yeah, I mean, that's right, Courtney. I mean, if you go back and you look at the last time the Fed said that inflation was transitory, that was back in 2004, and interest rates were at 1%. They raised rates 17 times over 2 years which ultimately resulted in the global financial crisis and took rates from 1% to 5.25%. So it wasn't transitory then, and I think if you look at the data today, home prices, best levels in 30 years, wages up 3.6%, which is also another sticky component of inflation. This is going to be just as transitory as it was in 2004, and the Fed's behind the curve, and they're going to have to play catch up, and with valuations at record levels, that's kind of a toxic combination for certain types of stocks that are, long duration assets with high PEs with earnings 10 years into the future.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, big tech. Let's get it. Okay, we're going down. So pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys is there's a proposal for a regulation at the European Parliament, and it's basically a proposal for regulation on the markets and crypto exit. And to be more precise, is about how we save our crypto assets. They wanna get more regulation on top of that. They already have, but they're trying to execute a more better regulation. This proposal is part of a broader framework on crypto assets and distributed ledger technology, DLT. And it is accompanied by proposal ensuring that existing legislation does not present obstacles to the uptake of new technologies while still reaching the relevant regulatory objective. The proposal builds on extends on long-standing market monitoring and participation in international policy work, for example, in such fora as the Financial Stability Board. As a part of FinTech Action Plan adopted in March 2018, as stated by the President von der Leyen, this proposal is close linked with wider Commission, popular and blockchain technology, since crypto assets as the main application of the block technology are inextricably linked to the promotion of blockchain technology throughout Europe. This proposal supports a holistic approach to the blockchain and ledger technology, which aims at positioning Europe at the forefront of blockchain innovation and uptake. Policy work in this area has included the creation of the European blockchain. It also consists. Finally, the proposal is fully in line with the recommendation and Security Union Treasury. So basically, they try to regulate us. So when you have your assets on your ledger nano, they try to regulate us. So they basically trying to put us in a corner again. So this is the bill, and it's on the research, and they're trying to get some more information to pass it through. So this bill went in on September last year, and they basically are investigating it and doing some research how they can regulate us by holding our crypto assets. It's pretty much a form of, like I said, regulation, like you saw in my previous videos, regulation by the BES, Bank International System. It's all about regulations. So yeah, I've been told that we also have offline wallets, so how they plan to regulate that is pretty much they don't know what they're doing. So there's a big war out there. So, but let's continue with what they're trying to do. Let me see if there are some other things I can share with you guys. I had another document, but it's in Dutch. see what's happening. It's an stable coins, white paper, crypto asset, e-money tokens. Nederlandse positie aanzien van het voorstel. Eerste inschatting van de... Yeah, basically there's a bill. They try to regulate us, and it's about the ledger nano. So I have this here to do my DD. So let's watch what's on the stock market. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. People are still bullish. People are still bullish. Green Day, bullish, 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 bullish. We are at the numbers for your energy today. AMC. Let's see what Twitter is telling us today. See. And I don't think we're going down further. Maybe, I don't know. But $188, Bitcoin 33,344. We living it. So I don't think they're gonna be a lot of action today, because it's pretty boring today. So let's see what the other guys gotta tell us.
These days, many people are wondering, could this be the right...
At once, it's probably going to turn around and then go down. Right now, we're at 50. We're at 50 on the RSI. But you never want to use RSI as just like a single point. You want to use it as a multiple point indicator. For example, you want to look for highs and then higher highs, or highs and then lower highs, so you can identify an uptrend or a downtrend. Right now, take a look at this. The RSI is in a bit of a downtrend, but it's kind of all over the place. So look at this. We got high, and then we got a lower high. And then we have a higher high. So look, high, higher high, and then lower high. So it's kind of in limbo right now.
In limbo right now. Nothing much going on today. I gotta wait until market close. Yeah, we doing it.